Hello, I'm Tornes, and welcome to another edition of N2 Des Moines. We're the forum that promotes small business in the greater Des Moines area, which means your business is our business. We are sponsored by the Zone of Comfort Life Balance Center, located at 3829 Suite B1, 71st Street, Urbandale, Iowa. That's just off of Douglas. And here today, I'm with a very special guest, and I have trouble pronouncing her name, so I'm going to let her do it. But before we get into that, I am at a dentist's office, so we are practicing social distancing because we want to be safe, and this is a profession where they definitely get up close, but this lady here is going to walk us through it. Nice to have you here today.
Hi, thanks for coming in. I'm Dr. Aya Bilbisi of Cedar Ridge Aesthetic and Family Dentistry in Urbandale, Iowa. We're located in the Cedar Ridge Shopping Plaza on 75th and Douglas in Urbandale, Iowa.
Now, I, of course, got on your website and researched you, and I was amazed myself to find out how much there is involved with dentistry nowadays. Back in my day, I just thought you go to the dentist, get your teeth cleaned, and that was it. Got on this lady's website, and she offers a lot of services. Please tell us about them.
Yeah, so we do offer cleanings here. We do preventative care. That is something that's really important to us. Prevention is key to all health. So we do exams and cleanings, of course. We do extensive deep cleanings. We offer fillings for cavities. We also offer alternatives for small cavities. Things like silver nitrate and ozone for smaller cavities, and I won't go into too many details, but some cavities can be reversed, and so we do offer treatments for that. And if it can't be, then we do offer BPA-free composite tooth-colored fillings. We offer, of course, crowns, bridges, implant restorations, denture work if needed. We also do Invisalign, which is an alternative to braces. They're clear aligners. We do amalgam removal here. Like I said, I did mention ozone, but that can be used for a lot of things. We do have lasers in the office that we use for different procedures. So yeah, it's definitely a field that never stops growing.
Yeah, it seems like it's been broadening. Now tell us a little bit about yourself. How long have you been in business, and how long have you been at this location?
Okay, well, I've been a dentist for 10 years. I've been at this location. I started when Dr. Murfeld, who was the original owner of this location, was nearing retirement about November 2018, and then I took over in January 2019. We did change the name. It was called Murfeld Dental at the time, and gave the place a little bit of a remodel, and so I've been the owner since January 2019.
Okay, that sounds great. What I would like to, first of all, what I'd like you to do is real quick give us your contact information.
So you can find us on our website at cedarridgedentistry.com. You just spell it out, cedarridgedentistry.com. We're also on Facebook at Cedar Ridge Dentistry. And then our phone number is 515-270-8301. Now you can get in contact with us on any of those ways. We actually have a chat on our website that you can use to help get scheduled. And if you Google us too, the chat box should show up on the Google page. So we try to make it really easy to reach us.
Okay, now we spoke about social distancing earlier, and I would like to know, what are you doing for your clients?
Well, we take social distancing pretty seriously because studies have shown that is the #1 way to help reduce the infection rates of COVID-19. So we're obviously keeping a good distance right here. Another note was we're minimizing patients in common areas, so this waiting room hasn't really been used much. Right now we're the only people in the office. What we're doing to start off your appointments are a little bit different. We're screening all of our patients from their cars. We're doing car side screenings to make sure that nobody has a high temperature, for example, or has any symptoms of COVID-19 before bringing them back. We have always taken disinfection and sterilization very, very seriously at this office, but we've added a few extra things like HEPA UV filters. We have an extra oral suction that we use anytime we're using aerosols to pick up any extra aerosols. We have gone back to using plastic barriers between procedures, and then scheduling even more time than we usually do to make sure that we're getting everything turned over properly and letting dust settle, letting the filters do their job.
Now, before we go today, I would like to ask something of you, and that is what sets you apart from the other dentists?
Well, yeah, so we have some really good dentists in central Iowa. What we really pride ourselves on at this office is that we treat our patients like family. We're a big family. We are family to each other. The staff and I consider each other family, and we extend that to our patients. So one thing that we do is we schedule lots of time for our patients. We don't like to be rushed. We don't like our patients to feel rushed. We want everybody to really feel that individual attention. We treat everybody like a person. We like to get to know you as a person on a personal level so that we know what your wants and needs really are and we can address them properly.
Well, I would like to thank you for having us out, and hopefully we can get back here at a later date to, go over some of your specialty areas. But once again, thank you for having us out here today.
Thanks for coming.
And thank you very much for joining us for another edition to N2 Des Moines. Thank you very much, and remember, make every day the happiest day of your life.